Hi everyone, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you and a comparison video. So here's the little box, and here's the paperwork I got. Here's the little box and the little drawer. And you can see it's a beautiful little velvet pouch that the jewelry came in. So, can anyone guess what it is? Follow me on Instagram, you should be able to. So, let's take this little beauty out and I'll show you. Sorry, it's hard with this one hand. So we'll put the little pouch right there. So this is the monogram bag charm. You see the little Louis Vuitton, and that's the little number. What do you call it? Serial number. And then it says Louis Vuitton on this side, the round side, and a monogram right here. Beautiful. A monogram here, and then that's the mirror, and it has plastic on it. And this side has just the pink, oh actually it's called Rose Ballerine, and it's made in Italy, and you can have your initials stamped in here instead, which I'll show you when I do the comparison of my other charms. So I have my Speedy V and my Azor and my Ebin. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like with all the different prints. So we're gonna flip this over and use the monogram side. So that's how it looks on the monogram. Beautiful. And then it'll probably slide like that too, but if you have initials it'll show through. So that's what it looks like on there. And let's show you on the Ebin. And that's what it looks like on the Ebin. It's nice contrast. Pretty. I'm not going to clip these on because this takes too much time, so I'm just going to show you on the different patterns. And that's what it looks like on the Delightful. Beautiful. And just to give you a comparison of the color, this is the Delightful, and that's the baby pink lining. Okay, now I want to compare my two round bag charms. I have the V one, which is larger, and then I have the Posy one. So this is the question I wanted to see when I was going to purchase this, but no one had it, or they didn't do a video on the comparison. But here's the Posy charm, and as you can tell, it's way smaller. So the monogram mirror bag charm is a lot bigger. So let's try it on the V. And the V and the mirror bag charm looks like the same size. So just for comparison, if you want to know how big it is, because I sure did. So out of those two, it's the size of the V, I would say. And then as you can see, I didn't get anything stamped on the V bag charm, but I did get on the this is kind of, I forgot what this is called, rose something. I got my name in hot pink, And this one is the Rose Ballerine, which is a very light out of all these pinks. This is more peacher, that's more darker, and this is more of a white pink. But it kind of looks like an off-white too. I don't know. But it's a really baby pink. So I may get my name like this on here in the dark pink. But I haven't decided yet. So I just wanted to tell you all, thank you for watching my videos, and big thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you for my old subscribers staying with me, and hopefully I'll be back soon with another video. Thank you all. Any questions or comments, just comment below. Bye bye.